To clean the carburetor, you're gonna take this bottom bolt out. Sorry folks, I'm doing this with one hand. Take the bulb out. And then you're gonna take this pin out. There we go. All right. And then you're gonna take this out with the flow pin. This little gray piece, that's the flow pin. And you're gonna put that over there. What you're gonna clean out is this one right here. You're gonna clean out this one and this one. You're gonna clean out from in there. You're gonna clean out in there. And then you're gonna wrench this off. So I got carb cleaner. You're gonna put it in here. And you're gonna spray out. Same thing here. Put it in there. Spray out. Same thing for this one. And spray out. Take this, put it in there. Spray out. Take it from here. Spray out. Come over here. You're gonna spray all that out. Spray the screw down. You're gonna take the bulb. You're gonna place it into that little hole. And you're gonna take the pin and you're gonna fit it in there. Fit it in there right quick. And then it's gonna be in there. You're gonna take this, face this screw, the opposite of the fuel control, of the fuel line. And you'll see one in a second. Then take the screw that you cleaned off, you're gonna put it in the bottom of the bolt. And you're gonna screw it right back on. And then you're gonna tighten it down. And that one is a 10 milliliter socket of a 1/4 drive. And then that's how you clean a carburetor off of a Ryobi 2300.